Statistical process control confirms exceptional precision on the programming sequence.
Quality consistency is maintained. We are cleared for the next batch.
Burn-in stress tests are stabilizing across all parameters.
Performance specifications are consistently met.
The AOI system is holding consistent at 99.8% yield.
Good. The serialization markers are clear on all units.
The X-ray confirms full coverage and correct volume on all pads.
Agreed. Deposition meets Class 1 specifications. We can release the batch.
The signal integrity validation looks good on channel 4.
Standard fire.
Thermal profile confirms optimal reflow.
Utilizing automated systems for precision component insertion and packaging, our technicians maintain superior quality standards and maximum efficiency.
Check the thermal profile on zone 3. It's holding tighter tolerances now.
Yes, well within spec. Quality consistency is exceptional.
The automated optical inspection data confirms high yield efficiency. Precision specifications are met.
The reliability qualification data looks strong this quarter.
Yes, the automated systems are maintaining exceptional precision as expected.
Our advanced manufacturing execution systems provide comprehensive real-time monitoring and automated data collection.
Implementing yield management analytics platforms and sophisticated statistical process control systems with real-time monitoring and predictive analytics features.
This integration phase implements meticulous defect tracking systems and sophisticated electrostatic discharge protection, ensuring optimal efficiency.
Advanced systems integration meticulously implements automated guided vehicle systems and traceability management platforms with real-time monitoring capabilities.
The signal integrity validation testing is complete.
Look at the predictive analytics.
Exceptional product reliability confirmed. Quality outcomes are optimal.
The automated data collection verifies the calibration systems are online.
Predictive analytics show optimal production efficiency achieved.
This level of systems integration guarantees optimal production efficiency.
And the predictive analytics confirm the quality outcomes.
Yield efficiency is holding steady at 98.7%.
Good. The stress screening protocols are
The rigorous cycling test is complete. All parameters pass the endurance protocols.
Excellent. We can authorize the product release for this batch.
This spike exceeds the conducted emissions limit outlined in the methodology.
Verified. I'm documenting the deviation utilized.
The spike at 240 MHz is registering slightly high on the spectrum analyzer.
We need to verify the filter attenuation.
I've logged the results according to the protocol.
Confirmed. We are compliant for product release.
The accelerated life test data confirms the validated methodologies.
All instrumentation is certified and protocols followed.
The reliability demonstration data confirms the defect detection metrics.
Meticulously documented, we can authorize the product release.
Thermal imaging analysis is complete. Data integrity confirmed on the traceability platform.
Excellent. Authorize product release.
Are the readings stable according to the validated methodology?
Yes, documenting the results now for final review. The thermal dissipation on the secondary unit is holding steady.
Confirmed. Power consumption is within expected parameters.
The eye diagram confirms the signal integrity is stable.
Validation testing complete. The results meet all industry standards.
Agreed. Authorizing product release. The timing analysis on channel 3 shows consistent passing margins. The results from the stress test are conclusive.
Excellent. That confirms we've met all regulatory compliance requirements globally.
The automated script confirms the performance metrics are stable. Good. Document that and initiate the thermal cycling protocol. This spike indicates a potential failure in the fabrication process.
The system suggests an immediate adjustment to the parameters.
Adjusting the dial now. Verification reading stable at 99.7.
Confirmed on the interface. The equipment is calibrated within standards.
This data confirms our operator competency certification program is improving efficiency.
Yes, and implementing Kaizen initiatives utilizing statistical process control systems. Cross-functional teams leverage advanced analytics, maximizing manufacturing excellence and operational efficiency.
Throughput capacity utilization is up, utilizing the new optimization methodologies.
The advanced analytic
Inventory turnover is up 15%.
Defect reduction hit 20% this quarter.
The new system is exceeding expectations.
Agents. The integrated platforms confirm our supplier performance is at 98%.
That data confirms
Placement of margins. Reviewing the advanced analytics, our customer feedback right integration is maximizing yield efficiency.
This significantly boosts.
The failure analysis points to a level 3 interconnect issue. We need to initiate the revised validation sequence immediately.
Based on these analytics, our obsolescence management plan needs immediate revision for the European components.
I agree.
Through our technology qualification phase, we ensure exceptional product reliability and consistent quality across all manufacturing operations.
Analyze the delta on the quality improvement metrics shown here.
real-time data confirms we're exceeding the stringent industry standards.
If we adjust the hyperparameters here, we can increase throughput by 20%.
Agreed. The machine learning model validated that sequence this morning.
This demonstrates the operational excellence of the new system.
It confirms our competitive advantage in the market.
The 5G integration metrics are stabilizing. Check the yield optimization.
It's confirming superior manufacturing standards. The cost-effectiveness ratio just turned green.
By integrating these sustainable practices, we reduce waste while increasing throughput.
It positions us competitively in the global market.
Look at the yield projection if we scale this quantum structure. It's transformative.
Exactly. This shifts the timeline for mass production significantly forward. Look at this latest data set from the quantum dots.
The fluorescence yield is higher than anticipated. We should run the simulations again.
The AR visualization confirms optimal component placement for the new protocols. The data confirms the digital twin strategy will revolutionize our operational efficiency and market position.
Our sustainability metrics are stabilizing.
The real-time data confirms optimized resource utilization across the assembly line.
Global market analytics show sustained advantage in the electronics sector.
Our strategic framework mitigated the compliance.
We must leverage the enterprise intelligence platform for real-time market analytics.
The framework suggests
The data confirms our supply chain optimization strategy is working.
Global inventory levels are down significantly.
Our strategy hinges on leveraging these platforms for cost reduction across the board.
This framework ensures we maintain.
Market analytics are stabilizing.
We should leverage the new manufacturing technologies
that utilizes our engineering.
Strategically positioned within the global electronics supply chain, this integrated ecosystem serves billions of consumers worldwide. This integrated production ecosystem is the heart of the global electronics supply chain, serving billions of consumers worldwide. After the chips are placed, the boards move down the line where the cooling systems, including the heat sinks and fans, are installed. Chronicling the evolution of electronics, from manual assembly to the precision of modern surface mount technology and industry.
The SPC data confirms the yield efficiency targets have been met.
Excellent. The revised parameters are holding steady.
These design specifications must incorporate the new sustainable practices for ESD protection immediately.
Understood. We've implemented the new optimization methodology. The simulation confirms we can exceed the performance targets using these component requirements.
Rates. The new defect detection system ensures consistent quality across all manufacturing phases. Are the critical design specifications?
The platform data confirms we're aligned with the design specifications and performance targets.
Yes, and these component requirements.
The contamination levels exceed critical specifications here. Can we adjust the component requirements in the CAD model to compensate?
Check the thermal uniformity across the substrate. It's holding steady at 20 degrees Celsius. Good. The validation sequence is complete.
Component moisture sensitivity baking procedures demonstrate meticulous preparation, implementing electromagnetic compatibility standards and sustainable practices.
All systems indicate green for the AOI run.
Confirming manufacturing readiness. We are good to commence full production.
Meticulous preparation procedures and clean room protocols ensure compliance with the most stringent industry standards for electrostatic discharge protection.
Meticulous preparation ensures we meet the stringent standards shown here. This level of automation guarantees manufacturing readiness before production begins. Material traceability system initialization, demonstrating meticulous preparation procedures systematically implementing statistical process control systems. Meticulous preparation procedures and systematic electrostatic discharge protection ensure we meet stringent standards for environmental humidity and temperature control. defect detected on C4, consistent with the last batch anomaly.
Noted. Adjusting the parameters on the automated handler.
Adjust the nozzle pressure based on these viscosity readings.
Confirmed. Applying the new parameters now.
Monitoring the coating thickness.